Welcome back to GM Auto Reviews, the channel where future machines meet real innovation today, and in this video we are diving into one of the most revolutionary industrial technologies coming out of Germany, the 2028 fully electric spray machine, a machine that is not just a tool but a statement of where modern industry is heading. This electric spray machine represents the perfect combination of power, precision, sustainability and smart engineering, designed specifically for next-generation factories, workshops and large-scale industrial environments. Unlike traditional fuel-based or hydraulic spraying systems, this machine is powered entirely by advanced electric technology, making it zero-emission, energy efficient and environmentally responsible. Right from the first look, the metallic blue body gives it a bold, futuristic presence. Its aerodynamic structure is not just about looks but helps reduce resistance and improve airflow cooling for internal electric components. The heart of this machine is its high-capacity lithium battery pack, engineered to deliver long operating hours with consistent power output. This battery is integrated with a smart energy management system that monitors consumption in real time, ensuring maximum efficiency and extended lifespan. The electric motor is compact yet extremely powerful, providing smooth torque delivery which allows the spray mechanism to operate with extreme precision without vibration or noise pollution. One of the biggest advantages of this 2028 German electric spray machine is its intelligent spraying system. Equipped with digital sensors and automated control software, it can adjust spray pressure, mist density and coverage area automatically depending on the surface material, whether it is metal, concrete, automotive parts or industrial panels. The fine mist technology ensures uniform coating while minimizing material waste, making it cost-effective for industries that rely on high-volume spraying operations. The side profile of the machine reveals advanced modular design where every component is easily accessible for maintenance and upgrades. From the electric motor housing to the battery compartment and control modules, everything is designed for efficiency and durability. The side-mounted spray arms are extendable and adjustable, allowing operators to customize the spraying width and angle with precision. This makes the machine suitable for both narrow indoor workspaces and large open factory floors. Moving to the back view, we see the intelligent storage and cooling system. Large rear vents regulate temperature, keeping the electric motor and battery cool even during long operating shifts. LED indicators at the back provide real-time status updates including battery levels, system health, spray pressure and operating mode. This feature allows technicians to monitor performance from a distance without interrupting the workflow. The integrated smart tank system ensures consistent material flow while preventing clogging or pressure loss. Another standout feature is the digital control panel mounted strategically for easy access. This touchscreen interface allows operators to select spraying modes, monitor energy usage, adjust parameters and even run diagnostics with just a few taps. The software is AI assisted, meaning it learns from previous operations to optimize future performance. This is a major leap forward compared to traditional manual spray machines which rely heavily on operator skill and experience. Safety is also a top priority in this 2028 model. Germany has engineered this electric spray machine with advanced safety protocols including automatic shutdown in case of overheating, pressure imbalance or electrical faults. Low noise operation significantly improves the working environment, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity for workers wearing safety gear. The machine integrates seamlessly into modern German factories, emphasizing cleanliness, order and precision engineering. From an environmental perspective, this machine sets a new benchmark. Zero emissions, reduced energy consumption and optimized material usage align perfectly with global sustainability goals and European environmental regulations. Industries switching to this electric spray system can significantly lower their carbon footprint while also cutting operational costs over time. The durability of this machine is another major highlight. Built using high-grade industrial materials, corrosion-resistant coatings and reinforced structural components, it is designed to withstand harsh working conditions and continuous use for years. The blue metallic finish is not just aesthetic but also protective, adding another layer of durability against wear and tear. This machine is ideal for automotive manufacturing, aerospace components, construction materials, industrial painting and even specialized coating applications. Its versatility makes it a valuable asset for any forward-thinking industrial operation. As we move closer to 2028, technologies like this electric spray machine clearly show how automation, electrification and smart systems are reshaping the industrial world. Germany once again proves why it leads in engineering innovation, delivering machines that are not only powerful but intelligent, sustainable and future-ready. If you are someone interested in next-generation industrial machines, electric technology or futuristic engineering, then this machine is definitely something to watch. And that brings us to the end of today's detailed review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2028 German electric spray machine, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow tech and auto enthusiasts and subscribe to GM Auto Reviews for more future-focused machines, cutting-edge technology and honest reviews. Thanks for watching GM Auto Reviews and we will see you in the next video with another innovation from the future.